After encountering Cloud Save Error 2025 in Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you ensure your game saves correctly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Test your connection by browsing other websites or running a speed test. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Call of Duty completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the cloud save error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or Battle.net, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help fix the cloud save issue. Step 4. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down or undergoing maintenance, you may experience problems with cloud saves. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue, reach out to the game's customer support. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken so they can assist you more effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to address the cloud save error and enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions.